currently 2:36 a.m. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Okay, so I just decided to turn on my camera and film kasi naisip ko, gumawa kaya ako ng, parang a realistic day in my life during quarantine. Kasi usually naman, ganito oras, gising pa rin ako, and the day starts at 12 a.m. So, this is counted. During this ungodly hour, I just usually scroll sa mga online shop, add to cart, or nanonood ako ng K-drama. But now, mas feel ko muna mag-online shop. Ganitong oras tayo, mas nakakita ng magagandang mga bagay-bagay na hindi natin kailangan. Mga nakita ako, may in-add to cart na ako nung isang gabi. Tingnan nyo naman yung sitwasyon. I hope this is the setting always when I'm filming a YouTube video because it's so comfy. Alam niyo guys, when it comes to online shopping, if you really wanna find the good stuff for an affordable price, kailangan sobrang tiyaga nyo talaga. Like, umaabot ako minsan ng 1 hour, nagsiscroll lang dun sa shop na yon. Minsan wala pang reviews, pero I'm a risk taker. Parang it's just like thrifting. You really have to be matyaga. Wow, that's so konya. You really have to be patient. May last episode na pala yung The King Eternal Monarch. Lilino. Alam niyo, first time ko ma-hook sa isang K-drama na inaabangan ko yung episode per week. Kasi usually, I let a series finish first before watching it. Ayoko kasi yung feeling na nabibitin ako. I am a huge fan of Goblin. Kaya nung nalaman ko may ganito, talagang inabangan ko siya. Teka, naiiyak ako. Last episode na kasi. Alam niyo yung feeling na ayaw niyo tapusin yung last episode ng isang series kasi mamimiss mo yung characters. Grabe, ganun yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. Like, ayaw kong panoorin. Gosh, eto na! Pero naiiyak ako. Bakit ako naiiyak? Ano ba yan?
Maybe I'm a bit dumb. Got a lot of questions that I don't know the answers to. I don't know who to ask. Even Mr. Google's like, bro, you need to figure this out on your own. On my own. Yeah, on your own. Am I really alone? All alone. I'm alone. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing it right, doing it wrong. Is there something wrong with this way I'm moving on? What's going on? Are you alright? That's fine, but I'm dead in real life, so I guess I'll just dance. So I guess.
Good morning, Seiko! Sabi nila you have to talk to your plant para mabuhay daw siya. So, good morning, Seiko. I hope you had a good sleep. Ta-ta-ta. She looks pretty, you know. Alright guys, so now I am ready to officially start my day. And baka magpa-deliver na lang kami ng sister ko ng food namin kasi tinatamad ako magluto, tinatamad rin siya. So, magpapadeliver na lang ako and magpipay ako through PayMaya. And guys, kasi yung PayMaya, para siyang credit card. So, para nakasync siya sa lahat ng shopping apps ko. Especially now, during this pandemic, sobrang convenient yung mga cashless transactions. Because as much as possible, we have to avoid contact with each other. If you wanna tip the drivers or the riders, you can also leave a tip. Now, I'm gonna order Japanese food because yun yung kinikrave ng kapatid ko. So, for lunch, my sister ordered this curry rice and then nag-gyudon ako. And then, this blueberry cheesecake is from Trius Manila. Yay! Mangan tayo! Alright guys, so, ayan, magti-take ulit kami ng Instagram photos. But this time, I'm not gonna be alone. Kasama ko siya sa picture. I also dressed her up. Nagrereklamo siya kanina, ayaw niya yung suot niya. Okay na, diba? You don't like it? It's fine. Diba dapat ang collarbone, fine-flex? Ito ayaw niya i-flex yung collarbone niya. Parang ewan. I look so pale. Cute too! I know, guys! You're gonna wear this. Lagyan mo na naman kunyari para makaalis tayo. Pero dito na po talaga ako sa picture. Bakit? Ang cute kaya.
I feel so tita.
Okay.
Yung kailang cute siya.
Cute kaya. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You should dress up more na ganyan. Mag-lipstick ka. Ito. Maganda to, maganda to.
Gusto ko yung natural
Oh, ito.
color.
Okay na yan.
Okay! I have
So
my own.
arte.
I have my own.
Today, you are my, I am your stylist.
What's for lunch, mga tita?
Sorry!
Tara na sa Mary Grace. This one, dude, I'm size 7.
Try, saglit lang naman.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so I'll be doing a little fun activity. Well, for me, it's fun. So I am gonna customize my Air Force Ones. You guys know this is my go-to or my favorite sneakers. I've been overusing it. I have like 2 pairs of this. And then when I was scrolling sa Pinterest, I saw these ideas and I decided to do my own take on it. I wanted to do that but also maintain the silver hardware design of the shoes so that it's gonna be really wearable. So I bought these pendants. Sobrang cute, diba guys? Super affordable lang din nila because I bought this for like 130 pesos ata, tas 60 pieces na pendants na. And I bought yung butterfly na design because you guys know I love butterflies. So super dami nila. And then, bumili rin ako ng parang mga safety pins. You guys will get it later kung paano ko siya i-design. Oh my gosh, ang cute, guys! Oh! Wala pa. Ano lang to? Testing lang. Super cute! Tada! Here is my finished product. As you guys can see, bored ako. I'm just gonna tie my shoelace. Yan. Dapat straight. Yan. Yay! I present to you the newest collaboration of Nike x Ashley. The Swoosh and Butterflies collection. I mean pair. It only comes with 1 pair. Bored in the house and I'm in the house. Sobrang saya. As you guys can see, hindi naman siya super pricey and it has been really convenient for me when it comes to online shopping recently because I've been using PayMaya, and PayMaya also has this PWP or Pay with PayMaya feature wherein you'll be using your own mobile number lang to pay. You don't have to memorize your credit card anymore because you can pay through your mobile number, which is really convenient. And good news, PayMaya has an ongoing promo right now wherein PayMaya users will get up to 100% Balik Bayad when they use their PayMaya mobile number to purchase items online.
You can easily download the app for free on App Store or Play Store, and if you want to get an additional 100 pesos upon signing up, you can use my code over here. Now, for example, this is what I picked in Mandawi Phone, which is apparently one of their participating merchants, and I picked this mirror, which looks pretty by the way, and I'll proceed to check out, and you can see that tab that says Pay via PayMaya wallet, and then I click that and just input my mobile number. Then voila, I already purchased using PayMaya.
And here's the list for the participating merchants. And guys, good news, one of which is Carousel. And may mapakita ko sa inyo. Nakascore ako ng good deal ngayon sa Carousel because I've been buying vintage stuff online. Nakuha ko sila for a very affordable price because some of them are pre-loved and I'll show you one. Wait lang. Look, I was able to score an authentic Juicy Couture bag. You guys know that the Y2K style is coming back and one of the popular brands was Juicy Couture and I really love it. Look at the zipper. Oh my gosh, I know. Yeah, as in, guys, I swear I genuinely use PayMaya with all my online purchases right now. As in, sobrang convenient na guys. Hindi nakikita ng mama ko yung gastos ko. Hindi na namamalayan ng mama ko yung mga online purchases ko pag dumadating na sila kasi hindi na ako nagka-cash on delivery. Diretso bayad na. Kasi usually inaabonohan pa ng mama ko pag nagtatanggap siya ng mga parcel, but now, dumadating siya na bayad na. So, ayun. To check if the PWP feature is available on the online store, just look for the PayMaya button upon checkout. And you guys know it. Basta online shopping, don't pay cash, PayMaya. O, diba? Pwede na mag-voice over. Ganito na lang vlog ko. Panoorin niyo kung matulog. Sleeping routine. So, this is how I sleep. Pero, alam niyo, sa totoo lang, that's a fact about me. I am such a sleepyhead. I look like a freaking burrito right now. I honestly don't know what to do anymore. And before I slept, kanina tinignan ko yung raw clips. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, hala, feeling ko hindi ako makakapag-edit ng maayos sa mga clips ko. But right now, I kind of realized na I like how raw this vlog will be. And I hope you guys still appreciate that. Like, kahit hindi yung mga well-edited mismo na videos, I'm really having fun. Like, I have no pressure to put makeup on anymore before I face a camera. Dati kasi ganun yung nararamdaman ko. Ngayon, parang, I like being real to you guys. And ganun siguro talaga when you grow in this platform. If you're just gonna scroll down sa mga past kong videos, grabe, sobrang cringe! So if you want to make a YouTube channel, go ahead and start now. Because even if you worry like 100 times on your first video right now, you'll end up cringing anyway. Like after years. Grabe, ba't ganun? Ang random ko, nag-pep talk na ako. I just really don't know what to do right now. Alam ko na! Magkakod na lang ako, Call of Duty, and then maglalaro akong Y8. Alright, so I'm gonna show you my video games routine. If I'm gonna be a gamer, will you guys support me? Confident! Anyway, my name usually sa mga ganito is Princess Ashley. I know. Princess Ashley, para mas badass siya pakinggan. Di ba? Parang, I'm a princess, but I'm gonna kick your ass. Basta yung loadout ko, papakita ko sa inyo. Pangalan ng loadout 1 ko is Powerpuff Gun. The number 2 is Princess Loot. Number 3, Unicorn Loot. And then yung number 4, Totally Spy. So, di ba? If you don't know what Y8 is, basically a website wherein there are a lot of games, more like thousands of games in it. It existed before Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. And it was really iconic when we were kids. I remember fully well that I was playing Y8 games while listening to Kelly Clarkson and JoJo. Guys, this is the ultimate quality quarantine content. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga games. Hanapin natin si Boneless Girl. Boneless Girl yun, diba? Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh! Wait na, paano nga laruin to, Bri? Ayun. Sorry. Ano siya? Next one, let's go to the...
Ano screen record yan? Hotdog bush?
Hotdog bush. Ang technique dito, guys, lagyan nyo lahat. Lagyan nyo yung mga hotdogs at everything.
Yun na. Pwede kayo maglagay ng ketchup kahit wala pa yung hotdog.
Yeah. This is like Diner Dash. May lalabas na onion rings someday and then also fries.
Galit nga siya.
Ayan, ganyan siya pag galit. Paano yung galit? Dito ako siguro nahilig talaga sa fashion growing up, dress-up games.
And honestly, I just played dress-up games for like half an hour here.
So, I already hit the shower and nagbasa ko because there was like a tiny pimple over here. I'm just currently waiting. By the way, this is Mr. Buckwheat. Anyway, I had so much fun hanging out with you guys today. I hope you did as well. Again, if you're gonna go online shopping, please remember my tips. Don't pay with cash. PayMaya. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stay safe and I love you guys so much. Bye!